Look what I got. Hey. So I'm just starting with this beautiful purple down here at the bottom. And I'm using a Morphe 562 brush to apply this in my crease. Using my same brush, now I'm going to go into this pink and apply on top of the purple. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is like a oranges yellow type of shade. So this side, I just kind of blended the shade on and trying to see what would be the difference if I packed it on and then blended. Probably would have been more vibrant. So I'm gonna start blending, and I'm gonna start from the purple, blending out the purple into the pink, and then the pink into the orange. Just adding more of the orange shade, roll it into my eyebrow a bit more. After I cut my crease, I'm gonna go in with this blue shade right here, and then this green one, and then this yellow. I'm using a Morphe 250-0 to apply this blue on this winged out part here. So I'm gonna be mixing the Milani Prime Light primer with the MAC Hyper Real foundation and bronze. I'm going to be using the Cover Fix drops on the areas that I highlight. For foundation, I'm going to mix the MAC NC55 and the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Nutmeg. I'm going to take my Revolution Concealer in the shade C16 to contour. And I'm using the Morphe M164 brush on my nose. Taking the Revolution Concealer in the shade C10. I'm going to apply that dark purple on my outer corner. Now I'm going in with the blue. I'm going to set my entire face with the Maybelline pressed powder in the shade 355. I'm going to take this shimmer shade right here and apply it in the center of my lower lash line. And I'm also going to place it right here on the green, but very close to my lash line. And I'm also going to apply those shades in my inner corner on top of that yellow. Okay, now I'm going to finish up my face, and I'm going to bronze using my Lancome in the shade 550 Suede. Contour using the L'Oreal True Match in the shade Cool Freud. I'm going to be using Revolution Gel Highlighter in the shade Monumental. I'm going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and then I'm going to go over my highlight. I'm going to set it with a powder from Revolution, of course. Kat Von D in the shade Crucifix. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna go on top of that with the Aaliyah in the shade Try Again. Let's spray again. And go over this highlight again, baby. Just add a little bit of the NYX glitter in the shade 11, right in the center. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look, because honestly I am loving it. Like, bitch, I know it's cute, I know you like it, because I like it. We looking good, okay?